KJ. Today, I'll teach you guys how to front crook it the right way. Alright guys, today we're gonna learn how to front crook. First, definitely gotta wax the ledge. Don't be shy. Alright, first thing you wanna know about the front crook. It's wicked hard, but it's wicked awesome. A few times you're gonna lock it to a front nose slide. It means you're on the right track, my guys. Just keep trying, keep trying.
You gotta learn how to front 50 first, you know.
Then you're gonna wanna learn how to front nose slide. Because you're gonna accidentally get into that a million times.
Front noses are cool too, so, you know, you could learn a couple tricks on your way to front crook.
Nose slide, a million times before you get one. You gotta learn a nose grind. That's a staple. It's half of the trick.
Front nose grinds. Very important for the front crook.
Hey, just string them all together, baby. You got yourself a front crook.
Hey, let's tell them about the front crook to fakie and the pinch factor.
Alright guys, the pinch. You're gonna wanna hit right there. That little spot right in there. See that wax? Right in there. You're locking this bad boy right there. All of your pressure. 45 degrees in the pocket. Keep your weight up, and when you pop, just give it a nice little nollie bomb. It's the name of the game, baby.
Pinched.
That's a pinch. You land front crook fakie? That's okay. It's an even better setup. The next trick could be switch, buddy. Go fast. Your first time is going slow. You're just gonna fall off fakie. If you want to get that real front crook pop regular, yeah, gotta add some cooking on that shit, man. Got some final advice for you guys, man. You want to put some heat on that. When you start to run, really run at that. You don't want to lock up and get that fakie, you know?